Boom, 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 bang, bang, bing. It's your boy Jamaican J with another Beyond Two Souls, part 4. Yeah, man, I kind of fucked up, I ain't gonna lie. I had started making part 4. Come to find out, shit wasn't even recording, man. And I was completed everything. Come to find out, all that was wasted because it wasn't even recording. So I got to do it over. So I got to go back to the chapters and catch back those chapters that I was doing. Man, I hate doing it this way, but it is what it is. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. First time viewer, welcome. Do remember to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. It is much appreciated on the Dashanda X channel. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J _ Dashanda X. Yeah, man. So let me see if I could find back these chapters, man. I don't even remember. Okay, yes, I remember them now. So first night alone, then like other girls. It's this one, then this one. All right. Should I save it? Nah. I ain't gonna save it. Yeah, man. I'm busy doing this thing and it wasn't even recording, man. I was so pissed.
It won't be for long. Just long enough for them to find out what's going on.
Please don't leave me here.
Just for a couple of days. You'll see. Time will go by fast.
Susan, we need to go. There's no reason to drag this out.
That guy cold-hearted as hell, yo. I swear.
Be brave, darling. You're strong. I know you're strong.
Jody, I know it's hard leaving your home and your family, but here we have a better chance of understanding what's happening. We can find a way to protect you.
Oh.
Nobody can protect me.
No one.
Your belongings are in that bag over there. Cole and I are right next door. If you need anything or if anything's wrong, just call and we'll come right away. Okay? Good night, Jody.
Poor little old Jody. All right.
All right. Find somewhere to change.
All right. Let's find somewhere to change. At least she got her own kitchen.
Hope they haven't put cameras in here, too.
Me too. I hope they don't do that. They'll be perverts. All right, let's see. Let's go watch some TV, yo. I ain't ready to go to no bed. I can't watch TV. There we go. Oh shit, Lakers playing. Nah, it ain't Lakers. Guess she didn't want to watch no sport.
Off to bed now, Jody.
Yo, don't rush me, man. I ain't ready to go to no bed yet. It's not like I got school in the morning. All right, let's go.
Come on, Benny Gruff. Let's see where we're going to sleep tonight.
Take up Teddy Bear. You gotta go sleep with Teddy Bear. Okay. Oh, you can't go on the bed yet? Okay, there we go.
I'm gonna turn out the light now. Good night, Jody.
Wait! Can you leave the light on in the hall? I don't like it when it's dark.
Sure. How's that?
Good
Good night.
night.
Fuck that. Jody ain't sleeping in no dark.
Don't be afraid, Aiden. We're gonna have a good night's sleep, and nothing is gonna happen. I can't sleep, Aiden. I think I need a story.
What am I supposed to do? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, she's seeing the elephant walk. Okay. She's asleep. What's going on? Lights blinking and shit. Yo, let go of her, bro.
Get help, Aiden, quick!
Okay. I'm right here. Where they at? Where they at? Yo, move, bro. Yo, how come I can't do him nothing, yo? Oh, he's fucking her up, yo. I'm right here, girl. Open the fucking door, man. Let go, bro. Yo, I gotta be fighting these fucking demons. Get out of here, bro. I ain't scared of you. I ain't scared of you, bro. Get out of here, bro. Fuck out of here. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. Yo, let go, bro. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Yo. was trying to fuck her up, yo. I swear.
Jody! Get a doctor! Hurry!
It's okay.
Them damn.
You're right now.
I wonder what's that though.
Hayden isn't scared of them anymore.
It's a dark entity. Okay, so I didn't spy on Dawkins and parents. I missed that. So I missed something. Okay, didn't like other girls.
I said no. End of story.
Please, Nathan, just this once. All the other girls in my class are going, and I won't be late. I promise, okay?
You're wasting your breath, Jody.
It's just not fair. How come everyone can go and I can't? I do everything you ask of me all week, and I never get to have any fun.
For the 100th time, you're not like everyone else, and there are rules.
Well, I didn't ask to be different.
Jody
I just
getting
wanna
mad.
go out and have friends and be like other girls my age.
You'll never be like them. You need to get used to that. Good night.
Ah!
Jody wanna have fun.
Yeah.
I'll be next door. Let me know if you need anything.
Like, fuck it. What can we do again? She going crazy. She losing it. And have a cup of tea. All right. What's that? Snapper? I don't know.
Go for it, Aiden. It's Saturday night, and I'm locked up in here. I just want to go out and have some fun.
I can't do it, babe. Rules are rules.
Shit, she pissed. Fuck
I
that.
hate you, Cole. And I hate Nathan. And I hate everyone in this rotten fucking place.
I know you don't mean it, Jody. Nathan just wants to protect you, that's all.
Fuck it. Fuck this place up.
Stop it, Jody. This is not gonna do you any good. You're grounded. Period.
Fuck them cameras up too.
Are you done?
Nope.
Are you proud of yourself?
I ain't done yet.
I
Hold
hope
up.
so. Because you have to clean all that up.
Stop it, Aiden. They don't give a shit if we break everything in this goddamn room. If that's not gonna work, we have to figure out what will.
Yeah? Yeah, she's calmed down. She smashed up the apartment first, but she's calmed down. Okay. Sure. I'll see you tomorrow.
You're now in my controller. Now you're a zombie. Alright, walk to the door, open it. Open it for Jody, man.
I'm really sorry, Cole. I hate myself for doing this, but you understand, right? I need to go out tonight.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. It's too late to turn back now.
Alright, let's get through this door.
Locked. Of course it is.
Gotta swipe his card. Yeah, why you walk like a fucking robot, man? Like Terminator.
Well, hello, Cole. Jody. A little late for a day trip, isn't it?
Man, we need some fresh air, bro.
Yeah, I'm feeling, I'm feeling sick. I'm feeling sick, so we were just gonna go, and get some fresh air.
You okay? You want us to call the infirmary?
No, there's no need. I'm, Cole's looking after me, so. Right, Cole? Yeah, so.
What's up, Cole? Cat got your tongue? Hmm?
He lost his voice. I think it's like a virus or something.
Jody's not a good liar.
That's more than I've gotten out of him all day long. So
Hope it's not contagious, buddy. You should be home in bed if you ask me. Safer for all of us. All right, well. See ya. Go on now.
Well, you believe all that bullshit.
well, at least we don't have to look for Cole's car.
Yo, this girl is bad as hell.
There's cameras everywhere. Better not hang around here too long.
Well,
Now get in the car and start it up.
alrighty then. Man, this car sounds like a piece of shit. Alright.
Damn. I'm not really out of sight.
Alright, exit. I gotta hide.
It's not the most glamorous escape, but it'll do. Let's go, Aiden. Try not to attract attention, okay?
Man, that car sound horrible, bro. That shit need a tune-up. Car is a piece of shit.
You'll forgive me, right? I'll be back soon. And don't worry, I'll be fine.
Man, that man ain't hearing nothing you saying.
Okay, Aiden. Take him into the forest. Make sure he's safe.
Walk like a real robot. Open bar, beer, liquor, red
Well,
house.
this is the place.
Happy
The
hour
girls must be
Monday.
inside already.
Which girl she talking about though? Happy hour Monday to Friday, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. $2 cocktail. Smiley face. I don't know, man. This look like a biker's club, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, they're watching boxing. I know YouTube gonna get me for this music.
They're not here yet. We'll wait.
All right, let's go have a seat.
How old are you, miss?
What?
21. I just want a lemonade.
I see y'all too. Man, I ain't drinking that shit. Get up, girl. I don't trust nobody. No, don't sit back. I don't trust nobody. I'm drinking shit. I see y'all looking at me and shit. Fuck no. I want nothing to drink. Yeah, and if any female watching this video, make sure you use this as a lesson. Don't drink shit from nobody. Word up. Fuck you, motherfucker. I want shit. Let me go play darts. I can't play darts? Alright, you could speak.
Excuse me? Did some girls come in here earlier? I'm supposed to meet them.
No. I ain't seen nobody like that.
Thanks.
Okay. I don't like this music, bro. We gotta change it. Oh, you could change the music for real? Let me see what she gonna play. Since YouTube already gonna get us, might as well. That's what. Okay, I guess. That's what Jody likes.
Wanna shoot some pool, darling?
Shoot some pool. All right.
Sure.
Whoop your ass in some pool real quick, bro.
Ladies first. Nice shot.
I ain't ask you, bro.
What you doing in here all on your own?
What am I doing in here?
Nothing?
Ask me all these fucking questions, bro.
Close, but no cigar. Truth be told, you look kind of young to be in here.
What?
How old are you?
It's none of your business.
Damn.
Besides, it's impolite to ask.
Fucking right.
Excuse me.
You see, he's not even trying to play golf, yo. I mean, pool. I say golf.
Are we playing pool or 20 questions?
Yeah, that's what I want to know. And that bartender, he's just standing watching all this bullshit.
Hey! Back off!
Come on, baby, you know you want to.
Oh shit, you're about to start. Slap that shit. Slap the shit out of him. Get the fuck off of me, bro. Oh shit. You done started off. War. You shouldn't have done that, dude.
Who's there?
I don't even know what to do with you, bro.
Where are you, creep? Show yourself!
Come out, you fucking coward!
Coward? That's what you call me, bro? That's what you call me? Huh? That's what you call me, motherfucker? Hmm? Call me a coward? Trying to rape a little child, bro.
We gotta get out of here.
Try to rape a little child, bro. To catch a predator. Alright. Hold up, I gotta do something else. You want me to break something else? Like these drinks?
Right!
Huh? Want me to break something more? Huh? Oh, y'all still standing here? Huh? Hold up, oh, hold up. Let me fuck up these pictures too.
It's like some fucking spirit come to punish us for our sins.
Shut the fuck up, Frank! That's bullshit!
Fuck it, Earl! I don't want to die!
Nobody's dying! We're getting the fuck out of here!
You better.
Jesus. Jesus!
What the
Yo,
fuck you doing, Sam?
You ain't going nowhere, bro. You ain't.
Stuck!
Get out of the way, I'll break you down!
You see, the bartender's in on it, man. See? No, get the bartender, bro.
Come on, Earl! Hurry!
Yeah. Grab that shotty. Sam? Hold that, you bumbuckler. Oh, it's Sam. You kill yourself too, bro. Can you? Kill yourself, man. Well, it was nice knowing you, Sam.
Jody! My God. Are you all right? Good God, what happened?
I just wanted to go out and touch me like everyone else for once.
Oh, no, I know. It's okay. It's okay.
Boy, she fucked them up. That's all I know. Okay, let me see something. Okay. Yeah, she fucked them up, man. See, that's what them perverts get, man. Them child predators. That's what y'all get.
I don't know how to tell you this, Jody, so I'm just going to tell you.
Well, go ahead and lie, man. Go ahead and lie.
Your mom and I, we've been transferred. We have to leave the base. We really want to take you with us, but we think... Well, everyone thinks that it would be better for you to stay here with Professor Dawkins.
You full of shit. Your eyes brown.
Of course, we'll come to see you whenever it's possible. And when you're better, you'll join us in our new home. Okay? Well, I think it's for the best. Goodbye, dear.
Be brave, darling. I know this is difficult, but I'm sure it'll work out fine.
We gotta go. Susan.
Just give me a minute, Philip.
The mom is more nicer than the dad is a shit bag, yeah.
That's enough. Come on.
Hold up, I could do him something. Hold up. Get the fuck out of here, you piece of shit.
He tried to kill me.
You're lucky I
Oh
didn't.
God, she's evil. You're a monster. Do you hear me? A monster.
Oh my God. Jody.
Yeah, man, go along with him, man. Leave me alone. Leave Jody alone.
I know how you feel,
Go with your wretched husband.
but you made the right decision.
Oh, man. Poor Jody. I feel sorry for this little girl. Yeah, man, but this is where we're gonna leave the video. Gonna keep it short. This episode, man. We're gonna keep this one short. 21 gun salute to all my subscribers and all my viewers. Remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you're just browsing and happen to see the video, please like, subscribe, share. You know what I'm saying? It's much appreciated. Do remember to follow me on TikTok, Jamaican J __ X. Again, thanks for watching. God bless. One.